Assalamualaikum dear students, hope all of you fine. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I would like to take a math class for Junior 1. Dear learners, our today's topic missing number, our lecture 7 and homework 7. Now let's start our class. Okay, let's start our class. Our today's topic missing numbers. Okay, dear learners, how do you find missing numbers? Look at the first number here. Your first number is, do you know that? Yes, 11. Okay. Second number, there is no number here. This number is missing. You have to identify which number put the blank space. Okay. Okay. Now notice this is 13. Okay. This is 13 and here is 11. So what will be the missing number? And you have to write the from here. Okay. Now 11, 13, 11, 13. So our missing number is 12. Our missing number is 12. Here is 13. 13. Now this number is 15. So 13, 14, 15. And you have to write here 14. 13, 14, 15 and 15. Then what is the number here? 15, 15, then 16. Yes, 16. Here is 17. 17 and there is no number here, and this is a blank space and there is no number here, and last one is 20. So dear learner, just focus 20, 17, then 18 and 19. So you have to write here 18 and 19. So 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, those numbers are our missing number. Okay, now move on. Question number 2. Okay, we have write with, there is no number here. Here is 5, 2 is 52. Okay, so 52, then there is no number here, is a blank space. Which number you have to identify, and there is no number here. So 52, so first number will be 51. Yes, first number will be 51. Then 52 and 53. 53 and 54. Here are 55. Then 57. 55 and 57. So this number, missing number would be 56. Okay, then 57 and here is 9. Okay, then 58. Okay, 58. 959. Just focus last blank space, there is no number here. So what will be the last number? Okay, 59. Then 59, next number is 60. So our missing numbers are 51, 53, 54, 56, 58 and 60. Those numbers are our missing number. Okay. Now move on another. We started with 83. So 83, 80, then 86. So here are two blank space. Which number you put this place? So 83, then 3 after number 4. So 84 our missing number. Then 85, this another missing number. 84, 85, 86, then 89. So you can count it 86, 87, 88, then 89. So you write here easily 87 and 88. Then 89. After 89, what would be the next number? Okay. Dear learners, focus then this number 91 and 89. So you can write here 90. Okay. Then our next number, missing number is 90. Then 91 and 92. 92 is our last missing number. So 84, 85, 87, 88, 90 and 92 is our missing number. Okay. Dear learners, hope understood our today's topic. Is there any problem? Then you can call me. My phone number is given here. Your homework would be homework number 7 and CW 2 SW, CW to SW. Okay, do your homework, and your homework have to submit every Saturday on 9 AM to 1 PM. So see you next class. Allah Hafiz.